10 Tips Day Trading Ideas for Beginners. 1. Education. Learn trading basics through books, courses, and online resources. 2. Set goals. Define your trading objectives and risk tolerance. 3. Create a trading plan. Establish rules for entry, exit, and risk management. 4. Start small. Begin with a small investment to minimize risk. 5. Use demo accounts. Practice with virtual trading to gain experience without financial risk. 6. Stay informed. Follow market news and trends to make informed decisions. 7. Control emotions. Avoid trading based on emotions. Stick to your plan. 8. Diversify. Don't put all your capital into one asset. Spread your risk. 9. Keep records. Track your trades to learn from successes and mistakes. 10. Be patient. Success takes time. Avoid rushing into trades.